In this tutorial, I will show what remote capture is and how to set it up on Weidmüller devices. First, I will explain what remote capture is. Then I will show why to use it. Remote capture is a simple technique to collect traffic from a device that is not directly connected to your computer. Normally, you capture data directly on your own computer. Remote capture is a feature of the Weidmüller router comparable to mirrorport, which allows you to mirror the traffic to an additional IP address in your network. The router provides the captured traffic on port 2002, where you can read it, for example, with Wireshark to analyze it. This allows you to see communication between devices without being physically connected to them. Remote capture is useful for troubleshooting network problems. You can analyze communication between machines and devices in real time. It helps to identify errors, such as missing data, delays, or wrong configuration. This feature in a router allows you to analyze traffic between networks and helps also to check out the configuration of the internal firewall, for example. Especially in a remote configuration over Weidmüller U-Link, it is very useful. Remote capture saves time and makes network analysis easier. In this example, there are two separate networks. We ping the IP 192.168.2.20 from the switch with the IP 192.168.1.30. And the capture goes to our computer. First, go to the web interface of the router and log in. Next, navigate to the IP configuration and make sure the one side is active and have the IP address 192.168.2.10. Now apply and save the settings. Now connect your computer with the first switch. Then go to the web interface of this switch and log in. Now navigate to IP settings and set the IP to 192.168.2.20. And set the gateway to the IP address of the router. After that configuration, connect your computer again with the router. Next, open the web interface of the second switch and log in. Navigate to IP settings and make sure the gateway is the IP address of the router. Then go back to the web interface from the router and navigate to diagnostics and then to remote capture. Here you have to enable the remote capture server and set the client address to the IP address of the computer. Now you can apply and save the settings. Next, open Wireshark and navigate to the tab, Capture, and then open the options. Now you can click on the button, Manage Interfaces, and then go to the tab, Remote Interfaces, and click Add. Here you must enter the IP address of the router and the port 2002 and click OK. Then close the Manage Interfaces window by clicking OK. Now you have to check which interface you need by checking for the IP address of the router. In my case, it is the third interface from the router. Double-click this interface. Now go to the web interface of the second switch and navigate to Monitoring and Diagnostics and then go to Ping. Ping the first switch. Then go to Wireshark. Here you can see the ping traffic. Now you have learned what remote capture is and how to set it up on Weidmüller devices and use with Wireshark. Don't forget to disable remote capture after your analysis. Thank you for watching.